Welcome to Getting Started with Pandas. Pandas is one of the most popular Python libraries for data analysis and manipulation. Whether you are processing millions of rows or cleaning small datasets, Pandas provides an intuitive and yet powerful toolkit to handle your data effortlessly. First, let us understand why we should learn Pandas. Pandas simplifies the way we work with structured data. Here are a few reasons why it's essential for any data professional, be it data scientist or a data engineer, or even sometimes a pure play Python developer should be able to use Pandas. Sometimes Pandas is quite useful for BI developers as well as data analysts as well. It allows you to import, clean, and manipulate datasets with minimal code. It's versatile, supporting everything from data filtering to advanced analytics. It's a foundation for working with other data-related Python libraries such as Matplotlib and Seaborn for visualization or SciPy for advanced analysis. In this module, we'll start from basics. The basics are nothing but setting up the tools you need and dive into foundational Pandas operations. By the end of this module, you will be able to set up a Python project environment for Pandas, install and validate Pandas using VS Code. You will also explore datasets and understand their structure using Pandas core methods. Finally, you will also go through details about how to navigate and manipulate data frames effectively. Let's break this down step by step, ensuring we understand every component of the process. Here is the high-level overview of what we will cover in this module. First, we will go through how to set up VS Code for the project. We will also configure VS Code for Python development. Then the second step will be setting up and activating the Python virtual environment. After that, we'll go through the details about installing Pandas and validating the setup. We'll install Pandas using pip, then we'll validate the installation by running Pandas commands in a Jupyter notebook or VS Code. Then the fourth step will be exploring the datasets with Pandas. We'll use core methods like info and shape to understand the data structure. Also, we'll go through the details about a sample dataset hands-on. Then we will see how to list column names in data frames. For that, we will be using properties like dot columns to extract and list column names. We will also discuss how this is useful for navigating large datasets. Finally, we'll recap everything. We'll also transition to the next module for more advanced Pandas operations. Let me also emphasize the tools and resources you need not only for this module but also for the rest of the course. You need to have Python either 3.7 or later. You need to ensure it is installed on your machine. If you try using earlier versions of Python, you might run into compatibility issues while performing tasks that are demonstrated as part of this course. Hence, make sure you have either Python 3.7 or later. Then you need to have a popular code editor for Python development, which is nothing but VS Code. Then you need to have datasets. We'll work with structured datasets such as CSV files for demonstration purposes. When it comes to this module, it serves as the foundation for the course. By mastering these basics, you will have the skills to dive deeper into data analysis workflows using Pandas. As we move forward, we'll build on these concepts to tackle more complex tasks like data cleaning, transforming, and analysis. Let's begin with our first lecture in the module. It is nothing but setting up VS Code for the Auto Sales Insights project. In this lecture, we'll create a project structure that supports efficient coding and data analysis workflows. See you there. Get ready to embark on an exciting journey with Pandas. With this module, you will lay the groundwork for powerful and efficient data manipulation in Python.